Welcome to the world of Youngwoo Industries. Established in 1999, we are a global business specializing in safety simulators and training based in South Korea. Our safety is our focus, which is why we work on customized safety training modules for our clients who are located all over the world. With the help of our experimental training facilities, we have found an innovative way for our clients to overcome boring theoretical learning by solutions that simulate tragedies of danger that could occur at the workplace. Challenges such as language barriers, limited safety awareness, illiteracy are no longer a challenge in the workplace as learning becomes more interesting and can be remembered for life. Youngwoo IND's safety training modules simulates existing hazardous situations and risk situations in a safe environment to demonstrate the consequences of unsafe acts and behaviors. The trainees play an active role in learning and get familiarized with hazard identification, risk control measures. The combination of theoretical training with practical safety exercises is what makes our program different. Injuries caused by the use of hand tools, small machinery, or other mechanical or electrical equipment have a significant contribution to accident rates. Therefore, we offer a wide range of valuable safety information at our training stations for circular saw and abrasive saw machines. Practical examples will illustrate which direct and indirect risks can lead to injuries and which safety measures can be taken by each individual to prevent possible accidents during operation. The Chemical Safety Training Unit covers all safety aspects related to the handling of chemicals, starting with the periodic system of elements regarding hazardous substance identification, properties of such chemical substances, explosion protection, the necessary personal protective equipment when handling chemicals, as well as the correct behavior with chemicals during accidents. Furthermore, the important rules of conduct for evacuation and the emergency plan are also explained. A confined space can be more hazardous than regular workplaces for many reasons. Here we try to simulate the dangers as realistically as possible. We are equipped with a fog machine, life-size doors, and a monitor for the demonstration of the level of toxic or health-endangering gases are only a few examples. During the exercise, a 65-kilogram life-size dummy must be evacuated from a confined space. As these individual rescue steps are carried out step by step, weak points can be assessed and eliminated. Safety helmets and shoes act as the first line of defense against injuries, but they only work when they are worn correctly. At our Safety Helmet Safety Shoe Simulator, the trainees can learn why wearing safety equipment can significantly reduce the impact of injuries. Similar to the safety helmet simulation, we provide a safety shoe simulator to demonstrate the importance of wearing the correct safety shoes. Learning by being present and feeling the difference during the test is a remarkable exercise and much better than just pointing out warning signs only. Irrespective of how well traffic operations are planned and how well the site is marked, there is a need to manage heavy machinery and vehicle movements on site. Trainees will get a better awareness of the dangers and risks caused by heavy vehicles and understand how to control the hazards by learning about site traffic regulations, the importance of walkways, the use of signals or flag men to control the traffic. The Electrical Safety Board is an essential training module in the handling of electricity. In the various electrical applications provided at the board, the functions of electrical circuit breaker functions, earthing, electrical safety during welding operations, or the importance of isolations are all explained. With the Electrical Safety Training Board, we are able to simulate a real cable fire. The lockout-tagout training station serves to teach the correct sequence when switching off and securing electrical systems. This module gives trainees the opportunity to gain experience and try out how to switch off the system correctly. By incorporating controlled errors, the trainees may learn how important the verification of shutdown systems are. Safety working on ladders is one of the essential elements in the field of work safety. In addition to the inspection check before the use of a ladder, trainees also learn the safe ascent and descent of the ladder. In order to explain the importance of the 3-point of conduct, the module has a hydraulic tipping function. With this exercise, the trainees easily understand the importance of tool bags to always keep their hands free while climbing up a ladder, as well as the following of the 3-point of contact rules. Falls are the leading cause of death and injury in construction. When working high up, a full body safety harness and your personal fall arrest system is an essential part of your safety kit. But how do you put on a full body harness correctly? How do you inspect a full body harness before using it? What is a shock absorber and fall arrestor, and why is the provision of anchorage as well as the lanyard or lifeline essential, and when do I need to use a safety harness on site? All of this will be demonstrated and taught in the Safety Harness Simulator. This powerful demonstration of a free fall into a full body harness conveys the consequences of a fall from a height and the importance of using the required safety equipment correctly. The steel structure module shows the trainees the dangers and risks in steel construction. It shows what happens if you endanger yourself through so-called shortcuts and what measures can be taken to prevent this. For this purpose, a steel construction simulator was built and various failures were made to illustrate to the trainees where dangers and risks can be found. The core of this module consists of a moving beam which the trainees have to cross. Furthermore, this module explains the correct use of anchoring points, the use of lifelines, and the correct use of a fall arrest system. Since lifting and rigging activities occur on almost every construction site with a considerable potential for accidents, we teach trainees about the most important safety precautions when it comes to the lifting and rigging station. During the main module, you can use a hoist crane to try out different scenarios like load balancing and the center of gravity. The trainees can immediately see the influence of different lifting angles on the built-in digital display. In addition, the different types of lifting equipment are demonstrated to the trainees on a practical board, especially set up for this purpose.